Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and today we've got the unboxing of the Jordan 3 JTH in the Beige. Shall we go and look at it? Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we're back after a bit of a summer break. We've moved house, we've moved studio for you regulars. As you can see, camera 2, we've actually moved you. You're probably more like camera 1 now. If you're new to this channel, we tend to do sneaker unboxings, the cinematic on foot type thing, and we've got SJ on Sneaker Cam, who joins me and does her own sneaker unboxings, but she joins me every Sunday for Sneaker Streaming Sundays. Enough of that, let's get to the unboxing. So we can tell already, as you all know, this is a Jordan 3, but it's from Nike, direct from them. So shall we speed up about now, camera 2? Okay, so we're back. I would usually at this point chuck the box, but I want you to see this very special box, which is damaged slightly. Oh, Nike, it's damaged ever so slightly, right? Can you see that there, camera 2? Look at that. Look at that. It's got creased at the top there. But anyway, so I already knew that this was a super special box. I'd already seen the Sneaker News unboxing. So we've got, so this is just so you, well, I can't actually see. Look at this, SJ. Look at this. It's going over the side there. But yeah, so this is the Man of the Woods JTH Jordan 3. On the side, I'm going to flip open and read the side. I'm doing this the wrong side. I'm not used to this new camera angle. It's an Air Jordan 3 Retro JTH NRG. It's in Beige Camellia. What sort of colour's that? And its code, if you're interested, is AV6683200. These are a US 11.5, UK 10.5. So I think, right, special box. We've got the Man of the Woods logo here, here, so there and there. This orange is, it's not a solid print, is it, SJ? It's not a solid print. But, and have we got anything special on the back of the box? Just Jumpman, Nike, yeah, right, we don't care about that. First things first, they've really worked them, like camera 2, they've really worked themselves so hard on this collab. Can you see that, SJ? Look at that. Look how nice that is. And you've got the Man of the Woods logo here. I would say, I know that this is trees and stuff, but this could be broccoli. So yeah, we've got this lovely paper. It's actually double wrapped. Oh, all right. You can't peek. There's no peeking in these. Right, here's the thing, everyone. I wear my shoes. You all know I wear my shoes. Fall's coming in the UK, which means it rains. It means it's muddy. Now, I know that these in theory are in Man of the Woods-esque, but they're too nice. Already, I can tell you they're too nice. So, let's get this Beige Jordan 3 out. Oh my word, these are a bit special. Now I know the price of these also, everybody, the price of these went up loads on StockX and Go, and I can tell that, or I can see why. So I think Justin Timberlake wore these, or obviously wore the JTH on stage when they announced that profile. It's obviously based on the original Tinker sketch. Wow, these are so nice. So let's first of all, let's get the shoe tree out. Let's get the Jordan shoe tree out, because I want to be able to look at these easily. I really do, everyone. These are like just get a sneaky peek there, camera 2. Look, whoop, whoop, there you go. These are so nice. So shoe tree. Okay. First things to say is that you get three sets of laces. So you get this Beige flat lace. You get this orange, I'm going to call it orange. I think they call it camellia, but it's orange flat lace. But you also get leather shoestrings as a nice little touch. SJ, come and have a look at the leather shoestrings. Really, really nice. It's a really, really nice shoe. First of all, oh, wow. Okay. You can't tell at home, but this nubuck here, I think it's nubuck, is so smooth. It's ridiculous. Like, this is premium quality here. You kind of want to stroke this. This is a very strokey shoe. It's a strokey shoe. Super strokey, lovely, lovely suede nubuck there. If you come in close, SJ, I'm going to get in close to you rather than the other way around. Can you see embossed higher here? You've got that there. We've got actually quite a small swoosh here. Perforated leather around here and here. We've also then got on the inside in this sort of camellia orange. And this is sort of a toweling inside here on the inner. You've got Justin Timberlake's signature. I think on the other one, it's Tinker Hatfield. It is. On the other shoe, can you see that? Tinker Hatfield signature there. Oh, my word, these are so nice. Right, okay, so let's look at the sole. You see the sole there? You've got this lovely orange, grey, white, classic. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, right? I think camera 2 might pick. So hang on there, SJ. Can you see that? Right, I'm going to pull that up there, and I'm doing this blind, everyone, so I can't see. Can you see in the air bubble, the actual inner there is orange as well? I think you can see that. I think you're getting that. It's super nice. Obviously a Tinker tag here. Sounds funny, a Tinker tag there. Okay, I want to get in on the inner soles because I know these are special as well. Out it comes. So this is on the left inner sole, and it is, stress is cruel. Like, is Justin Timberlake really stressed? Like, come on, people. Man of the Woods logo here. Let's get this back in. It's quite sticky. Probably shouldn't have come out, but you know I like to show you these things. So anyway, let's get that back in. Get in there. And then we're not going to pull this one out because that one was quite tricky. Can you see in there, SJ? Can you see the green? So that's similar to the paper that we had. And it says, what does it say?
Fame is a lie.
Fame is a lie, says one of the most famous men in the world. I don't think it is a lie, Jason Timberlake, his lesser known cousin. So yes, and there's actually the Man of Woods logo in there as well. I think the other thing that I hadn't appreciated with these Jordan 3s, probably on all Jordan 3s, is also the tongue is elasticated as well, so that that stays set on your foot. We go on the heel, Nike Air logo. Obviously, we've got the elephant print there on the top. And the eyelets here in this sort of neo yellow. You got that? You got that? Let's show you some love. I don't know if you're going to see that because it's so bright, but just look at that. And then we've got higher again embossed on both shoes. Just going to hold them up there for you, everybody. Look at that. Everybody on all cameras. These are a bit special. They are a very special shoe. SJ, are these a special shoe? Oh. Oh, that is not a definitive yes. What doesn't she like?
I need a proper look off camera.
Oh, okay, okay. SJ's not sure. I'm going to tell you the materials on these more than warrant their extra price tag. They are super nice. They're actually a smart shoe. These could be smart. Right, people, you all know I'm super out of practice. It's been about a month since I've done a video. SJ, it's about a month, isn't it? Camera 2, it's about a month. This video hasn't been the best. Let's get this back up here. It hasn't been the best. We will get better again. We're going to start dropping more videos. I've got the Don C312s waiting. I've just seen a secret. Everyone, I've just seen a secret thing I didn't realise. You ready? Right, you got to come in close for this. On the back here, can you see that on the black? Is it showing up? You've got the Man of the Woods logo. Can't believe it. Okay, so I advise everybody, when you buy new shoes, just bend things on them because you never know what you might see. So yeah, we've got the 312s coming. Hopefully the latest Nike SB Supreme collab. Hopefully, we'll see. So if you've made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, it would be amazing if you could. If you are subscribed and you haven't hit the notification bell, it's somewhere down there. What else do they have to do, SJ? They have to like. If you like this video, like it. If you don't like it. Leave us a comment in the comments below. Do you like this shoe? SJ's not sure. She's really not sure. Maybe when we do the on foot, she'll change her mind. Anyway, folks, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye. This is the studio.